1985 Buick Riviera here at Unique, especially in classics. White exterior and I guess maple or the kind of deep burgundy interior. Go ahead and check out that filler panel you'll see right up front here. 5-liter V8 underneath the hood that is paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive, so you can see the filler panels do show their age some, as well as the paint. Scuffs there, and there's some little corrosion marks, and it's kind of got that crazing in the paint. You can see it's not a real high gloss finish. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you'll be able to look at this from every angle, top to bottom, inside and out, uniqueclassiccars.com. That's uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Carfax does not indicate this car has been in any accidents. As far as the odometer reading on it, it is 56,304, and that's probably got a 1 in front of it, according to the Carfax also. So I'll get around to the driver's side, show you the odometer here. You can also see some drying and some aging of that vinyl roof. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. As you see the rear filler panels. Now there is, looks like the material for the headliner. Going to replace that. So those cars, drive it as you see it. Maybe put some TLC into it and fix it up as you go. And once again, take your time looking through the still pictures, probably close to 100 pictures of this car, online at uniqueclassiccars.com. A little bit of corrosion bubbling starting down here, so you know. And then as you can see, paint showing its age, some along over here on the driver's side also. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. So power seat, both sides. Power windows, power locks. One of the techs or detail personnel did say they are having a little issue with that indoor, or the inside handle, I should say, on the driver's door. Kind of what I guess you'd expect for wear of a car with this age and miles. Let's go ahead and start it up so you can hear it run. Top of the dash, yep, there are a few cracks like you're gonna see on a mid-80s car. Radio powered up, did not get any reception. Does state the car is leveling. I haven't seen that light go off. Just make note of that. There's your miles, 56,304. According to Carfax, that is a 1 in front of it. Headliner, didn't see that, maybe why they have the new material possibly. Looks like there's a ripping somewhere back there. That'll give you an idea how it sounds. Here, run. See if I can get this hood open one arm here.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Hood liner. Idea of that. There it is. 5-liter. V8 underneath the hood. Nice clean engine bay. Sounds smooth. And in power steering, power brakes, AC. Again, have not had that AC compressor kick on though. 1985 Buick Riviera. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.